WTI, and I have something awesome to show you. Almost as awesome as this horse. It's this Wrangler bag, and if you have a busy life, this is the bag you want. And let me tell you why. I love this bag so much. It's so gorgeous. The color, the stitching, but my favorite part is that crossbody bag feature. That strap is durable and it will carry everything. But if you need to just throw it over your shoulder, you have that option too. It's truly the most versatile bag. I think that this bag is going to be ready to go when you are. Whatever you're going to throw into it, it's going to be ready to handle it. I also love how many different colors it comes in. But let's talk about how much this thing can actually hold. I mean, I'm a chronic overstuffer of my bags and I'm a busy mom. So the fact that I can throw in whatever I need to for the day or week, then this is just the best. I love all the pockets. It has these awesome pockets in the back, on the inside. It's really a beautiful design and high quality. I mean, if you see the stitching, everything is super high quality. I have been able to stuff all the things I need to in it, and it has been just held up perfectly. If you're looking for a quality bag that is beautiful and versatile and will hold up to whatever you throw in it in your busy life, then this Wrangler bag is totally going to be the one you want. But that's just my point of view.